Hi, if you like garlic bread, then you have to do this recipe. You will need 1 egg, which you will have to beat. After you beat it, you take 1 teaspoon and you put it in a bowl aside. And then you add 20 grams of sugar and a teaspoon of yeast. You beat it until like a bit of foam comes out, and then you add half a cup of warm milk and 3 grams of salt. And then you just add 300 grams of flour. You mix it all together and you will have like a sticky dough. Don't worry, you add 30 grams of soft butter. Mine melted, and it's okay, but try not for it not to melt. And you will have like a really sticky batter, but don't worry, just keep kneading it until it unsticks. And then you just place it in a bowl. You just let it rest for like an hour. In the meantime, we prepare with 13 grams of melted butter. We add the teaspoon of the egg that we left apart, a teaspoon of sugar, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of garlic, and some parsley. We make like a cream, and then when our dough rises, we flatten it and take all the air out, and then we just put the cream on top of it. We just spread it all around, and then with a knife or cutter or whatever you want, we have to mark horizontal and vertical lines. Don't be sure not to cut it, and don't go like to the edge. Leave like a little edge, like I don't know, like an inch. And then those lines that we marked, we cut any cheese that we want, and we make like little sticks, and we place them in those cuts. You can use mozzarella or whatever kind of cheese you want. Then when it's done, you just place it in an oven, 338 degrees for 20 minutes or until golden brown. And that's it. So follow me and subscribe to my channel and activate the bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.